In this exercise, we're aiming to restore the natural movement of the diaphragm, so breathing can feel easier and require less effort, and we benefit from all the amazing advantages of breathing diaphragmatically. When your diaphragm's moving well, the ribs expand freely out to the side and the abdomen responds naturally without any pushing or bracing. So you can lie on your back with the knees and the feet on the floor like this in a semi-supine position. Or if you prefer, just come up to sit and find a little length in your spine, your shoulders relax. Closing the mouth, begin breathing quietly in and out through your nose. Before we change anything, just bring your attention to your two lowest ribs. And as you breathe in, just feeling the lower ribs expanding out to the side. Allow that expansion to come into the lower back a little. And as you exhale, feel the ribs soften and move back in toward the center. Inhaling, the lower ribs expand naturally out to the side. The intercostal muscles between the ribs broaden. Exhaling, allowing the ribs to move back in. Good. Inhale, feeling the ribs expand outwards. Allow the lower back and the lower abdomen also to soften and respond, not by pushing forward through the belly, but by yielding to the pressure of your inhalation. And as you breathe out, allow the abdomen to return naturally. Again, breathing in, the ribs widen, lower back expands, lower abdomen responds. And breathing out, feeling it all soften back toward the center. Allowing the inhalation and exhale to lead, let the body follow. So there's no need to make your breath bigger. If you feel like there's too much effort required, just allow your breath to become more subtle. And focus on the invitation of the movement in the ribs, the lower back, and the lower belly. Okay, good. Let go of any intentional movement now. Allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. Start to observe the quality of your breath now and how your body feels. Is there any change in the felt sense? Any change in your nervous system state? So this is the mechanical pattern we're looking to restore. So with much less strain, but with greater efficiency. Diaphragmatic breathing supports slower, more efficient breathing, calms the mind, reducing any unnecessary nervous system activation, improves gas exchange as the air is drawn into the lower lungs, supports functional breathing for everyday movement and physical activity, and generates what's known as intra-abdominal pressure for spinal stability and strength.